Today we're making these cute little miniature churros. The recipe comes from Smart Lab's mini food truck. These are so adorable and easy to make. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a microwave-safe bowl, add 2 tablespoons of water. Next, add a tablespoon of butter, half a teaspoon of white sugar, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, and a pinch of salt. Put the bowl in the microwave and microwave for 15 seconds. Give that a nice stir. Then microwave again for another 15 seconds. Give that another stir, and we're going to microwave 2 times more for another 15 seconds at a time until the mixture starts to bubble. It should take about 60 seconds in total. While that's still bubbling, we're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of flour and give that a good mix. This is what the dough should look like after it's all combined and mixed. Next, add a teaspoon of egg. Give that a really good stir. Next, add 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then mix that really good again. And the dough should have this consistency when you're done. Next, take the smallest star piping tip that you can find. I'm using this one that was included in the mini food truck kit. Just use any star piping tip that you have at home. Next, take a Ziploc bag or a frosting bag and place the tip at a cut in the bottom. Place the dough in the bottom of the bag. Next, pipe the dough onto the cookie sheet. Make the churros as small as you want. I didn't do this, but I realized it would probably be easier if you take kitchen scissors and snip the dough as it's done coming out of the piping bag to finish off the churro. That way the ends will probably look a lot prettier than mine did. Here they all are. Next, it's time to bake them in the oven. Bake these in the oven at 400 degrees for around 9 minutes until they reach a golden brown. They turned out really good. These are what they look like right out of the oven. Next, we need to roll these in some cinnamon sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of white sugar and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. Roll the churros in the cinnamon sugar mixture until fully covered. This recipe makes about 40 mini churros. Next, to make the chocolate dipping sauce, you'll need a tablespoon of mini chocolate chips and a teaspoon of heavy whipping cream. Then you just need to melt it in the microwave for about 7 seconds and give it a good stir. These little churros turned out super cute and super tasty. If you want to learn how to make more mini recipes, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.